Hey Jason, how's the diet going? You tell me, Bubba. You tell me. So I want to share with you a story that helped me stick to my diet. So I'm at work. I work at Walmart. And I'm looking around and I'm like, man, who's the most successful person in the store right now? Obviously my store manager. And I'm not kidding you. This guy could be the CEO of the company. He's so smart. He's sharp. And if you ask him a question before you even finish, he'll have an answer for you. And I'm just thinking, how is he so successful? And it's because of one thing, and a lot of people have this. A lot of very great people have this. They're calm. They're calm, they're cool, they're collective. They talk very, very intrinsically, okay? Very methodically. And they don't freak out. They're not screaming. They're not yelling. They're not cussing. F you. This is wrong. F this. They're just so nonchalant, almost like they don't even care. And I'm thinking to myself, if this attribute makes these men so successful, why can't I tie this into my diet? And so that my diet will be great too. And so I did. And I noticed that it's working out really well for me, and it probably can work out very well for you too. So you want to think about this diet almost as if it's not even a diet. And if you happen to mess up, you trip and you fall and you binge, okay, cool. Brush it off. Tomorrow's a new day. Start over. And with that thought process, I have a new perspective. Just like my store manager, I want you to be calm, cool, and collective. If you have this burning desire to go grab a box of pizza or a pint of ice cream or whatever junk food you're craving, if you're having a burning desire, if you have ants in your pants, you must have this ice cream. That's okay, go have it. You don't have to be in a caloric deficit 7 days a week. If you're in a caloric deficit 6 out of 7 days a week, you're good, you're golden. You can have a cheat meal, you can have a partial cheat day. I mean, just don't restrict yourself to a point where it's not enjoyable. This is a lifestyle. You're supposed to enjoy this lifestyle. What, you cheated on your diet, it's not the end of the world. And you don't have to not go out to dinner and socialize. You don't have to cut all that out. It doesn't have to be the ultimate sacrifice. The diet does not have to be picture perfect 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It doesn't. For example, yesterday I went out with my girlfriend and we went to a Mexican restaurant. I had some really good grilled chicken and some dirty rice, and it was delicious. It was so good. And it was the healthier option. I could have had something higher in calories. I could have fit it in my caloric goal, but that's beside the point. The point is, go out, enjoy life, have fun. You can tell I'm getting real passionate here. And the moral of the story is, be like my store manager. Be calm, cool, and collective, and know that it's okay to break your diet once in a while. And yes, you want to be strict and you want to go hard and work hard in the gym, but also make it enjoyable. You know, tweak your diet a little bit so you can go out and have a really nice meal. And if you don't want to do that, don't tweak your diet, just have a cheat meal. But for the other 6 days out of the week, know that you had a cheat meal and just factor that in into your caloric goal. So guys, enjoy this lifestyle. I hope that you guys really know that fitness can be fun. It can be enjoyable. It doesn't have to feel like you're dying. Okay, so until the next video, peace out. Thanks for watching. If you could, please give me to 26 subs, man. I'm working really hard, and I love this YouTube thing. It's turned out to be a new passion of mine. So thanks again, guys. Peace.